Hello everyone, and especially to my lecture is I'm in Vidya. My name is Nayaka Hananadhif, and I'm student of Geologic Engineering at Amikam University, Adinata. Today, I'm going to present my final exam project for the industry course. My presentation is divided into two parts. First, explanation of non-clause in the IT context, and second, a summary of my close IT projects, smart block system. Now let's start with part R, which is about non-clause. So what exactly is a non-clause? A non-clause is a divided clause that functions as a noun within a sentence. This means it can act as a subject, a direct object, or a complement. In our field of informatic engineering, we use this clause very often to describe technically technical requirement, system logs, and programming logic. It helps us communicate complex information more effectively. Now, please look at this an example of non-clause using different connector. Specifically tailored to informative topics, I will read them one by one. First, what? For example, I understand what the OS requires. Second, who? Example, the admin know who access the server. Third, whom? I don't know whom the developer contacted. Fourth, where? Tell me where the database is stored. Fifth, when? Example, the system logs when the effects occur. 6. Why? Example, it analyzes why the server crashes. 7. Which? Example, user decided to sorry, user decide which language to learn. 8. Example, whose support identifies whose computer has the files. 9. How? Example is explain how I process data. And last, 10, whether. Example, I'm not sure whether it's compatible with containers. As you can see, this clause acts as the object of the sentence, providing clear information about technical objects. Now, let's move to part B, which is a summary of my project, the smart block. I will start. A smart block is a modern electronic device designed to replace traditional mechanical locks. The main goal is to provide secure access to digital means by using a smart lock. You can effectively eliminate the need for physical keys, which are often easy to lose or duplicate. This device integrates directly with the internet to provide a pattern-based user experience. Let's talk about how it works. Based on our technical design, the system is powered by microcontroller, which acts as the brain to process all data. It also includes a sensor suite to monitor the environment and a motor mechanism to physically lock or unlock the door. For connectivity, we use Grumman's technology, first Wi-Fi for long-range remote control, and second, Bluetooth for short-range access when the user is near the network. And next is security is the most important part of this project. To protect the user, we implement advanced encryption for all data transfer. We also use multi-factor authentication, which means user might need a password and biometric scans to get in. Furthermore, the system keeps comprehensive logs. These logs record every entry and exit, so the owner knows exactly who accessed the log and at what time, which adds a strong layer of accountability. X. In conclusion, the smart lock system offers three main benefits: enhance agency, and then increase confidence and total control. It is a perfect solution for home automation, office security, and even hotel management. By moving from mechanical labs to IT-based system, we are making our living space smarter and more safe. That's it all of my presentation today. I hope my explanation of my course at the smart launch summary was clear and useful. Thank you for much for the time and the attention. Have a good day. Goodbye. Thank you so much.